If you want to change the model in Leonardo AI, whether you're creating an image or generating a video, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to select the right model, and how to start creating right away. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Leonardo AI and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the main creation area. At the center of the screen, look for the image or video menu button. This is the starting point for choosing what type of content you want to make. If you're making an image, click the image option. If you're making a video, click the video option. The steps from here are very similar for both, so don't worry if you're switching between them. After selecting image or video, look at the left panel. This is where Leonardo AI shows your available model options. The model is important because it affects the style, quality, and overall output of your generation. You can scroll through the list and choose the model that best fits your project. Some models are better for realistic results, while others may be better for stylized artwork, design concepts, or different creative looks. Take a moment to compare the options if needed. If you already know what kind of result you want, just pick the model that matches your goal. If you're experimenting, try a few different models over time so you can see how each one changes the final output. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your results in Leonardo AI without needing any advanced settings. Once you've selected your preferred model, you're ready to create your image. From there, just enter your prompt, adjust any other settings you want, and generate your result. Leonardo AI will use the model you selected to produce the output based on your instructions. If the first result isn't exactly what you wanted, you can always go back and change the model again and try another one. So to quickly recap, go to Leonardo AI. Click the image or video menu in the middle, choose your preferred model from the left panel, and then create your image. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple AI tool guides, tips, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.